I thought it was going to be calm. Whoa, whoa, okay. Whoa, airtime. Welcome to My Life in Coasters, where in this video I'm going to be checking out all of the rides at Paultons Park. Now quickly, if you haven't already, please go and check out my vlog from the opening day of Valgard, Realm of the Vikings. That is a separate video. There's loads of new rides, there's a couple of new rides in this area, a really good themed area. But yeah, I've done that as its own separate video. This is going to be all the other rides like Storm Chaser and the rest of Tornado Springs and the Lost Kingdom as well. So yeah, that's all coming up in this video. There's going to be Onride POVs, and I'm about to go and start over in the Lost Kingdom. Yeah, let's start with a ride on Flight of the Pterosaur, the inverted coaster, or suspended coaster should I say. Yeah, I had a very good behind the scenes tour of this last year, and I have got the Superfans event again tonight, so that'll be another vlog. I know I've got a couple of vlogs out of this, but I want to do everything justice because this park is really, really good.
What a view!
Flight of the Pterosaur, all done there. Yeah, it was good to get on there. I got on the front row, so yeah, I hope the POV was good. Had a bit of a look at the construction on Manor 2027 ride from on there. And now I'm going to go on to Velociraptor. You can always get on loads of rides here at Paultons, 5 minutes, and they don't sell fast track, so yeah, it's perfect really. Look at that. Only like one train wait. So well themed as well here. Just done Velociraptor there. Yeah, it was good to have a ride on there. I didn't get the front row, but I've done that one so much. I think I did it like 6 times the first time I came here. Just a fun family boomerang coaster. Yeah, that's the 2 main coasters done here in Lost Kingdom. Yeah, I did this little kiddie coaster, the dinosaur one, last year. Don't think I'll do it today. Yeah, you've also got like the log flume in this area and a few other bits. Yeah, this is the log flume splash lagoon. It's not really got a queue, so I might as well jump on, I think. Yeah, here we go. I think it's actually 2 years since this ride opened now. It's not quite the weather for it today, but I queued like 20 minutes for it last year and it's not got a queue. Oh, lovely. I just got soaked on my head. So yeah, I don't mind jumping on quickly with no queue. Oh, that nearly got me. That wouldn't have been good, would it? Never mind. Here we go then, up the lift hill. Yeah, I don't remember getting too wet, but I mean, I hope I'm not going to get soaked on it, but never mind if we do. It is a log flume after all. Here we go then. Can't remember what it's called. It's like Lost River or something. Here we go. Yeah, it's alright. It's not too bad. Yeah, here we go into Tornado Springs. Yeah, only a 5-minute wait for Storm Chaser. Yeah, going to be a little bit longer than 5 minutes. There is a bit of a queue for it, but I'm sure it'll move quite quickly. Ride on Storm Chaser there. It was like second to back row. Quite a decent spin. I do enjoy that. It's a fun little coaster. Yeah, I've never done windmill towers before. Just a little drop towers, so I thought I'd do these. Been seeing all the opening videos from Hogmoed F-telling. Yeah, got a little breakdown here, but I'm sure they'll get us going quite soon. Not the worst view though. Tiny little breakdown on Windmill Towers there. Unfortunately, yeah, one of the kids, not right next to me, but on the road, was quite little, so yeah, they were a bit upset, but it was only 10 minutes max, so, and the park have given me a fast track, so that's great, because that wasn't a long delay, but yeah, it was really good of them to do that. Handled really well. They come around and checked we were all right. Yeah, I was fine. Sat there, just sat there looking at the station for Storm Chaser for like 10 minutes. Didn't mind it. The other ones continued operating, so that's really good. I'll give it a miss. I'm not that bothered about doing it. I'll do Cyclonator now. Yeah, it's got a bit of a queue with Cyclonator. Oh, it's got quite a big queue. Oh no, I'm cursed, I think. Yeah, I just queued up the Cyclonator. I haven't ridden it. No, it broke down as I was not far off getting on. So yeah, I waited about 15-20 minutes as well. It was quite a big queue, like I said. I was just about to leave it and not go on, but I thought, oh no, I'll wait it out. And I did, and it's got a technical issue. I don't want to spend ages waiting for it because as part of the Superfans event later, there is some ride time on it. So I might be able to get on it then. So I'm going to leave it now. I'm leaving Tornado Springs. See if I can ride anything else. I'm just going to break it here anyway because of Windmill Towers. Normally, Paultons are really good with ride availability, so I think it is just a few technical hiccups. I hope so anyway, yeah. But yeah, going to leave Tornado Springs. I might be back in a bit, or it might be later this evening for the Theme Park Superfans event. I think now what I might do is I'll go to Ghostly Manor, have a ride on that. Then I'm going to go back into Valgard, which is a separate video today. I've done one just for its opening day. Because I wanted to keep everything watchable. So yeah, I might go back over to Valgard and do those bits a bit more. I don't know why, because I said this last year, you can't get from this way to Ghostly Manor, and I've walked down here like I can. So yeah, I'm going to have to walk back around. It is a bit wet though. Never mind. Hopefully my new hat might save me. It does say Paultons Park embroidered though, which is pretty cool. Yeah, let's go for a ride on the new for last year, Ghostly Manor. It's a year old today. Yeah, I did Ghostly Manor. Didn't do great on the scores actually. I think I did about 25,000. But yeah, I still enjoy it. It's a fun family ride. Opened at the park last year. Going back into Valgard. I'm not sure what main park stuff I'll be doing later today, but if there is anything, then I'll put the POVs and stuff in later. So I'm hoping to get some rides on Cyclonator and probably Windmill Towers and Storm Chaser and stuff on a bit of an ERT later on the event. And if I go on those rides then I'll put the POVs in because I couldn't get on them earlier. But for now, I'm going over to Drakon. The rain's coming down. I should put my hat back on actually. We've got a bit of an ERT now for about an hour on these rides in Tornado Springs. Here we go then, first ride of the ERT on Storm Chaser. And yeah, Windmill Towers is open, so I'll see if I can get on there without breaking it. Well, I've just had one ride on the ERT, and there's not really a queue. They've got it on 2 trains, so that's great. So let's go again. I didn't film the last one, but yeah, I'll film this one. Got the chest mount back on. There we go, second ride of the ERT. Look at Cyclonator over there. You see over towards Valgard. There we go. Whoa! Get a spin. Whoa, okay. Never mind. I thought it was going to be calm. Whoa! 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 Okay. That was a bit insane. Right, let's go on Windmill Towers. Hopefully I won't break it and it won't break down this time. Oh! Yay, we got further than last time. Whoa! This is quite fun, it's like a frog hopper. Whoa! Whoa, airtime! Going again. Oh, buffalo fox. Yeah, it's going to be time to go on Cyclonator now. I've just done Storm Chaser, Windmill Towers and Buffalo Falls, all back to back, so yeah, we may as well do this. That'll be all the rides on the ERT, then it's time to re-ride Storm Chaser, and maybe this. Oh yeah. There we go, all the way. Alright, that's a Victus. Right, that is Cyclonator done. I did just call it a Victus on the first take, but yeah, I was talking to someone about a Victus on there. I've got a Victus on my mind for some reason, but yeah, Cyclonator, very good. Good Zampala gyro swing. Gonna do Storm Chasers, only 15 minutes of the ERT left, so get another ride in on here. Still got it on 2 trains as well, which is fantastic. Right, that is, I think, 3rd ride of the ERT, 4th ride of today done on Storm Chaser. And here we are then, back home, because I quite clearly forgot to outro the video at Paultons Park. So yeah, overall, a good day at Paultons Park. The main aim of that visit was Valgard and the Superfans event. This was just sort of, this vlog was mainly the other bits like Flight of the Pterosaur, Velociraptor, Tornado Springs as well. I didn't really spend that much time in the park. I have got previous vlogs from Paultons Park where I cover more of the wider park that's not obviously Valgard, because Valgard's new, that's the new area, and not the theme park Superfans event. But yeah, overall, I really enjoyed it. Paultons Park is definitely the best theme park in the UK, in my opinion now. Can't wait to get back down to the park probably later this year, a few months' time, maybe in the main summer season, see how the park runs then. But overall, enjoyed what I did do, like Flight of the Pterosaur, still looking very fresh. The park is so well presented, everything's really well run, and there's just some great family rides. So overall, that was my visit to Paultons Park. Hope you've enjoyed this little series of 3 vlogs. I've decided to split it up into 3, so there's not one really long video that's like an hour long or something. So yeah, there's 3 20-minute vlogs. If you haven't already, go and check out the other 2. And thanks for watching this little series, and I'll see you in the next one.